Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Now we'll continue with the communication. As I have told you, how earlier the people used to communicate to the others. Now also I am able to communicate through to you through this video. है ना? You're going to switch it on and then you will be able to hear my voice. Okay, children. So remember, we need to talk to others and share our thoughts, okay, and feelings. And when we talk or write to someone, it is called communication. Anything that we use to communicate with other is called a means of communication. Isn't it, children? Now, have you understood this? Okay, when we talk or write to someone, आप जब बात कर रहे हो, when you are writing also, it is called communication. Anything that we use to communicate with others is called means of communication. Okay, now olden means of communication were, once again revision, there were messengers. One king used to send the messenger and see he has brought this and he is not to pass on the message to this person. They are used to send messages to other. They used to ride on the horse. Okay, then the pigeons were used. Okay, then beating of the drums. Okay, and the smoke signal, वो जलाते थे लकड़ी को एंड द स्मोक, जो धुआं जो ऊपरता था ना बेटा, स्मोक, through smoke also they used to send the messages. Okay, so remember all these things. We should know how earlier they were using. Now, till few years back, letters were the only means of communication, as I have already explained you about the post office, how it is to reach. Isn't it, children? Now see this post. Post, it is a way to send the letters with the help of postmen. They deliver the letter to the people, to their homes and to their workplaces. Workplaces mean जहाँ पे वो काम करते हैं, where they work in the offices also. Okay, so this was the postal means of communication. Okay, now based on that only we are going to the communication chapter. We will solve the worksheet. Okay, now see, children. It is a fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the box, children. Now let us begin. Now what are the words are? Means, letters, share, communication and slow. Number 1, when we talk or write to someone, it is called communication. Okay, it's a big word. Okay, earlier the means of communication were faster or slower. Earlier the means of communication were slow. Okay, SLOW. Anything, this one now. Anything that we use to communicate with other is called a means of communication. Okay, beta. Next, till a few years back, dash were the only means of communication. What do you think? Letters. Letters were only means of communication. सब letters से ही लोग communicate करते थे few years back. Now, to dash our thoughts and feelings, we talk with others. To share. What is the word? Share. This we have taken from the bracket. All these answers are given in the bracket, children. Okay, next now encircle the correct answer. Earlier, these were used for sending messages. What were they? They were homing pigeons. They were homing pigeons. I'll just put a dot. If I put a circle, great, you won't be able to read it. Huh? Okay. Letters are sent through this place. Letters are sent to the bank. No, 1 minute. I forgot to read the 3 options of the first one. Home pigeons, crows and tigers. Of course, the crows were not used, tigers were not used, the home pigeon. Now, next now, letters are sent through this place. It is bank, post office or school, beta? Okay, I know. If you would have been in the class, you would have told me, teacher, post office. Next, in olden days, message was sent using this. That is a television, the smoke signals or computer Yes, of course, the smoke signal. Next, the person who carried the messages from one place to another in olden days, they were called soldiers, king, or messenger. Yes, they were called as messenger. ठीक है बेटा. Now, uh, now children, this is a postcard wherein see that they have given a sample over here that you need to write the address. Now, actually address is written here only. यहाँ पर ही address लिखा जाता है like this and the pin code is written. You know pin code क्या होता है? PIN pin code, postal index number. जहाँ पे हर एरिया का एक पिन कोड होता है. इफ़ यू राइट द पिन कोड द लेटर रीचेस प्रॉपरली टू दैट पर्सन. ठीक है. नाउ एक्चुअली the here a sample address is written. Actually this is the way we write the address बेटा. हाँ, इसके ऊपर में आप अपना खुद का एड्रेस लिखना है या जिसको भेजना है आपको एड्रेस. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन राइट दिस साइड ऑल्सो ओवर दिस ऑल्सो. इसके ऊपर में यू राइट एन एड्रेस. ओके, जस्ट फॉर अ प्रैक्टिस. Okay, now here read the clues and write the answers in one word. Little bit zoom and do. Okay. 1. I have written a letter to my granny, so I post it. I put it in this box. So what is this box called as a letter box? So आप यहाँ पे नीचे में letter box लिखना. ठीक है? Or the post box. Letter box or post box. In olden days, this was used by the people to send the messages. What is this? Drum beats. So आप इसको DRUM drum beats इसके नीचे लिखना है right below this. We stick this on the envelope which contains the letter before posting them. इसको बोलते हैं stamp. So you write stamp here. ठीक है बेटा. I think that's all for today. A very short and sweet. ठीक है. And I hope you must have listened 2-3 times children. ठीक है. Thank you. God bless you children.